The main components of CNC are part program, input device for part program, machine control unit or MCU, drive system, machine tool, feedback system, and display unit, in which the part program is a sequence of instructions which describe the work which has to be done on a part in the form required by a computer under the control of computer numerical control software or CNC software. It is the task of preparing a program sheet from a drawing sheet. The next component is the input device for the part program. These are the devices which are used to input the part program in the CNC machine. There are three commonly used input devices, and these are punch tape reader, magnetic tape reader, and computer via RS-232C communication. It reads the coded instruction fed into it. It decodes the coded instruction and makes the CNC machine understand it. The next component is the MCU or the machine control unit. As we have discussed earlier, it generates, stores, and processes CNC programs. It also contains machine motion controller in the form of executive software. The next component is the drive system. See, the basic function of a CNC machine is to provide automatic and precise motion control to its elements, such as work table, tool spindle, and many more. Drives are used to provide such kind of controlled motion to the elements of a CNC machine tool. A drive system or servo control consists of drive motors and ball-led screws. The control unit sends the amplified control signals to actuate drive motors, which in turn rotate the ball-lead screws to position the machine or cause rotation of the spindle. The next component is the most important component of CNC machine, that is the machine tool itself. It is capable to respond to the signals from the MCU and perform the desired operation for the manufacturing of the part. The next component is the feedback system. Feedback devices are that devices which sends the information back to the controller in closed loop system. This kind of feedback system or this kind of feedback devices we are going to discuss later on in this course when we are going to discuss about closed loop system. And last but not the least, we have display unit. The display unit serves as an interactive device between the machine and the operator. When the machine is running, the display unit displays the present status, such as the position of the machine slide, the spindle RPM, the feed rate, the part program, and many more.